Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the sticker type and exact mounting spot, windshield versus license plate, because adhesion and visibility differ. Once chosen, clean the surface with isopropyl alcohol and a lint-free cloth. Let it dry fully so the adhesive bonds. Use tape and a ruler to mark alignment guides. This prevents crooked placement. Now, peel a small corner of the backing and tack the sticker in place. This first anchor bite makes the rest of the laydown easier and reduces trapped air. Once anchored, peel the backing slowly while you lay the sticker down from one edge to the other, because controlled placement prevents misalignment. Use the squeegee at a 45 degrees angle and push from the center toward the edges to expel air and adhesive pockets. Repeat passes with increasing pressure for a solid bond. If a bubble appears near the edge, lift gently and reposition, only when necessary, and always re-squeegee immediately, as delayed pressure reduces adhesion and increases. To finish, trim any overhang carefully if the sticker covers a plate, and if vinyl on glass, warm the area lightly with a hair dryer to help the adhesive flow and seal edges. Once applied, inspect for small bubbles. For stubborn, large bubbles, pierce with a fine needle and press the air out, then reheat and squeegee. Make sure you let the adhesive cure 24 to 48 hours before washing or exposing to heavy rain, because early moisture can lift corners and ruin the bond.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.